Let's try to understand how to graph a line using intercept form. There are situations where graphing line with intercept form is better. What could be the situation? Well, if I give you equation of a line in standard form, for example, if I say ax plus by equals to c. So this is the equation of line in standard form, right? Now in this case, we can easily find intercepts. How? If I put x equals to 0, let us say if x equals to 0, then what happens? If x is 0, then b of y equals to c. And I can find the value of y, which says y equals to c over b. Is that okay? Correct. So that becomes my y-intercept, right? If I write y equals to 0, in that case what happens? If y is 0, then we get a of x equals to c. In that case we have a of x equals to c. And so what is x equals to? X equals to c over a. Is that okay? So that is your x-intercept. So here we have y-intercept. So intercepts are y-intercept is 0, c over b, right? And the x-intercept is c over a and 0, correct? So once we have the intercept, we get 2 points. And if you know 2 points, you can always draw a line, correct? So this is our y-intercept. Let me write here. Y-intercept. And this is our x-intercept. Okay, so we will use, whenever a line is given in standard form, it is good to draw it using the intercepts. Let me show you how. Let's consider the equation. Let's say half x plus y equals to 1. In that case, what is your y-intercept? To find y-intercept, what are we going to do? Let's find y-intercept, okay? We'll put x equals to 0. So if we put x equals to 0, we get y equals to 1. Do you see how simple it is? And y-intercept is y equals to, sorry, I have to write 1. Y equals to 1. If I put x equals to 0. So let's say this is my graph for the equation half x plus y, okay? Now my y-intercept is 1. So that is my y-intercept. Do you get it? Now let's find x-intercept. What is x-intercept? Y should be 0. So if you put y 0, just hide this. You get half x equals to 1, right? You get half x equals to 1, or x is equals to 2. So x-intercept is x equals to 2. So let's draw that x-intercept, which is 2. You get these 2 points, join them, and then get your line. So that is so simple as that, right? So we could make a line with 2 points, and these 2 points for us are intercepts, x and y-intercept, correct? So then you join them, and there you have this line. Draw arrows at both the sides, because line extends from minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, let's take one more equation. This time, let me write equation as 2x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. Correct? Now here, we can take 6 on this side. So we have 2x minus 3y equals to 6. Correct? Now, how will you find x and y intercepts? X-intercept is found. Let's find x-intercept first. X-intercept. It doesn't matter, whatever you want to do first. So x-intercept is, you put y equals to 0. Once you put y equals to 0, you get 2x equals to 3, correct? Equals to 6, and x equals to 6 divided by 2, which is 3. Now, let's say this is your graph in which you have to draw this line. Now here, x equals to 3 is your x-intercept. 1, 2, 3. Make this point. Simple as that. Now, let's work out y-intercept. So y-intercept is what for us? X equals to 0 for y-intercept. Therefore, we get minus 3y equals to 6, or we get y equals to 6 divided by minus 3, which is minus 2. So our y-intercept is minus 2. That's our y-intercept. And we'll join this. To get the line. Correct. So here is our line. Right? Now, it's a good idea to write on the line itself the values of x and y intercept. In this case, it is 2 and 3, right? And the equation of this line is 2x minus 3y minus 6 equals to 0. And here our x and y intercepts were x was 2 and y was 1. Correct. And that's the equation. See, it is that simple as that. If an equation is given in standard form, then it is better to draw the graph of a line using intercepts. Correct? So you learn that if the equation is given in standard form, use x and y intercepts to sketch your line. If the equation is given in slope and intercept form, then use slope and intercept to sketch your line. Okay, so these are two very good methods to draw line. Okay, thank you.